Is your fender had a bender? Is your trunk missing a chunk? Call the professionals at Clean Fleet Auto Body for fast, easy claims handling.
Dixie RV Superstores is Louisiana's largest RV dealer with low prices and over $10 million in inventory. We have 20 years of experience and a strong commitment to service. Dixie RV, helping you retire one weekend at a time.
Pro Engine Sales has been installing engines and cars for nearly a generation. Call Pro Engine Sales, your motor transplant center.